You open this podcast, now it's time to learn something new that you have never learned from anyone else in this world. Today I'm going to tell you about the things that you are ignoring from last several decades, years, months. I know that you all are mature enough if you are listening to the podcast, but what benefits that you are getting out of it? You open YouTube, open social media, scroll, waste your time. At the end, what you get out of it? A temporary satisfaction that not at all required. You are here in this world to do something big. You must have a purpose, just like I have a big purpose with me. I'm working and struggling every day, but I'm not try to convince to the defeat that is up there. I wanted to chase everything that is all meant for me, be it big buildings, big cars, or anything else in this world that are there. And I would urge you that please come back from the cocoon that you have shifted in, the comfort zone that you are constantly working on, and the things like the video games and all the stupid things like Instagram, social media, Snapchat, Twitter. Come out of it, live a life and live something a greater life that you wanna live with. Have you ever remembered many times nowadays debates are like that the earth is going to be soon destroyed, there will be no life available in this world. These all are myths. The same thing happened a lot of time. Be it war with Napoleon, the Rome has been conquered by many of the people, and the barbaric killing of the Jews and the other people. Well, the world is never going to be end. That is the one total biggest lie and a myth. Even the people who are at World War II, they don't think about that the world is going to be stopped. Well, now the problem is that we live in a lie. We think that right now is the temporary moment. We will live a life and we try to chase a lot of things, but we try to content our mind that okay, if I'm not getting it, then I think it's not worth for me. That is a fucking loser mindset. Make your winning mindset. Try to get the thing that you want in your life. Don't sleep unless and until you are not satisfying your goal. You have challenges. Everyone has challenges. What is the benefit of that if you're not able to create a history, not able to make your life successful, not able to create the things that are meant for you? If you are waking up every day doing the same routine, same task, not changing anything and not adding something new, then your life will be go as similar as what it was yesterday. And if you are thinking about that, how my next 5 year look like, it will look like pretty much same that was the previous 5 year, because you are not doing a slight change in your lifestyle. You are fucking loser and you are totally wanted to waste your entire time in the things that are not at all good for you. That are a stupid thing, that are the stupidest places or the requirement that you wanted to have with you, and what are the things that are there. I think the world is full of shit, the world is full of challenges, and the world is full of egoistic people. There are rich people, there are poor people, there are mediocre people. Everything is so much being trapped. There is a matrix. The poor people pay taxes, they don't pay taxes. The rich people pay taxes, they don't pay taxes. Only the mediocre people, they pay taxes. They pay to planning commission, they pay to the MCDs, they pay to the lot of things where they have to prove where they buy a house, they pay tax. They sell house, they pay tax. They gain something, they pay tax. So every time they pay tax. Government know that the entire system is there to fool you up, to make you know that what you are doing is something is totally incorrect, and that is what you wanted to have in your life. I think that you have to make your mind, make your body in such a way that you are always winning. If you are not able to do it, I think somewhere around your life, you are doing a big blunder and big problematic things. I think you need to work really hard on the things that are totally required for you, that are non-negotiable. You live for a 70 year, and everybody know that this is what is the total lifespan, and many people live less than that. Let's say you're not doing anything for you to improve yourself, to make your life more better. and to understand about how the world works, how the history works, how the people react, and that is what I wanted to share with you. That is what I wanted to have with you, and I wanted to improvise. And many times we try to do the things just for the sake of doing. We don't know what will be the outcome of it. People who are in sales, they are a bad salesperson. The people who are in their desk job, they are a bad at their. They don't think beyond what exactly is expected from them. They don't want it to be a great at their work. Forget about business if you are not a business minded person. Do the best, be the best person that the people will think. People will try to make you the king of this your place. Well, for some people their personal life is fucked up. Some of them are they are not getting the girls, and they always think about that how there are so many beautiful girls, why they are not able to get it. Man, look at your body first. You are fucking fat, you are eating pancakes, you are eating a lot of junk food, and you think that that beautiful girl will come to you and shake hand with you. You stupid moron, you don't have any communication skills, you don't know how to react, you don't know how to laugh, how to shake hand, and you think that everything will come to you at easily. That even not happen in dreams. So even if you are dreaming such kind of things, please wake up and change yourself. Otherwise you will be more fucked up, and you will become the more kind of a creep person in this world. Well, this is a harsh reality. I don't like fat people. I don't like people who are not doing the self care, who are just floating with the things that are happening around the world. They have no clue that what are their own thought process, how they gonna react, and how they gonna find out the things that are there. Well, these are the major and bigger problem that everyone has. People just wake up. They don't have a routine. They don't have a discipline. Somebody give them a free chocolate, they will eat it. Somebody give them a free pancake, they are going to eat it. If you ask them to go to the gym, they are not going to do it. And finally, what eventually will happen, they will come to you and start crying like a baby, and say that okay, this is not happening. That is a big problem. How in this world these issues gonna fix? You are not controlling your mind, and you are idiotically eating a lot of things that are not at all required. And finally, you are asking people that how to fix these things. These things are not going to fix. These things are something going to be there for the longer time. Well, what you need to do is you need to make sure, you need to finalize and work on your own habits. And if you are not able to do it, then finally you are not able to generate, you are not able to get anything, and you are fucking loser, and you will become fucking brokey. And finally, what will happen that you will eventually lost control of the things that not at all required. Well, you may come to this podcast, you can listen to a lot of time, you will get motivated, but what is the point if you are not getting motivated, or even if you get motivated, you are not taking actions? If you are not taking actions, then how come in this world you are going to be changed? You are not going to be changed unless and until you will start taking the steps that will change your destiny. Do it. If you want to be a good looking, check that how you can change your personality, how you can develop it, what things that you can implement so that you can become a better person than what you were before. If you want to be a great communicator, talk with a lot of people, talk in with a talk for a lot of subject, understand their psychology, how they're reacting, what they are saying, and understand that the nuances that you totally overlook when you are talking to the people. And that is what I wanted to tell everyone, that make sure to understand the business that you are in, be it you are selling a tea in the small tea stall, or you are selling a big Gucci bags. Irrespective, create your own brand, sell brand. Your name should be something that people think of, that you are the best person in this world and nobody is better than you. And that is the persona that you have to carry with you every time. People ask me whether you are sad or whether you are happy. My answer would be that I am always busy. There is no time for these emotions. I am always busy, and busy with a lot of things, busy with doing my tasks. So these emotions doesn't play any role in my life. Even if I am happy, I'll do more work. Even if I said I'll do more work because I want to make myself happy. And that is the life, and that is the life that I'm changing and working on. That's all in this podcast.